Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to do the first module of Microsoft Excel from the course 365. It is the Excel module 1 SAM Critical Thinking Project C. Enter and update company data. If you want me to do this assignment or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, you just need to send me your files over the WhatsApp that is given at the top corner, and you can also email me those files and I will complete that assignment for you and send it back to you. Then you can submit it and get it graded. And if you want to do it yourself, then you can do it, watch my video and get it done by watching my video. So let's get started with the first step, that is Diago is working as a sales manager at Mentor Bank and Trust and uses Excel to maintain data about the bank branches. He asked you as a financial assistant to finalize the branch manager and loan income worksheet and for the current week. So this is the role that we are given. The branch manager worksheet needs cleaning up. Start by moving the three cells of the information of the title information. One is blank, three columns to the left. Okay. Start by moving the three cells of the title. These are the three cells. Okay, so we are going to move them three columns to the left. So the title, only title, is it this? Start moving the three cells, then the title information. So this is the title information, the three cells are there. So just move it. You can do it by cut 1, 2, 3. Here you need to paste it, because they say that you have to move that three columns to the left. So this is the first, second, and this one is the third column where we have pasted. Resize the column to best fit the newly included information. So just double click it, so it's best fit right now. Moving to step number 2, that is enter the text week of March 19, 2029 to provide a second subtitle. So I'm copying it. So here we should enter the subtitle. That's it. If you are in a doubt, you can watch this. You can see it's right up there. Moving to step number 3, that is change the width of the column containing branch member to match the width of the column containing new loan amount. Branch, and we have to change the width of column, the branch. We have to change this one, the width of this column, and to match the width of column containing new loans. So this one. So first of all, we will figure it out. What is the width of this column? It's 16.91. So we have to match it, this one, to the exactly 16.91. That's it. Moving to step number 4, that is the deposits columns need to be completed. Enter the data in table 1. Okay, so just copy it and it should be in D15 right there. That's it. Moving to step number 5, that is the email addresses need to be filled in as well. Start by entering malik.watson@cengage.com in the corresponding cell. So I would like to copy this. Fill the email addresses using flash fill. So this is the first email address cell, and press enter. Now you can flash fill by going here. Sorry. Nashville, like this. Moving to step number 6, that is, the column containing email could use more space to display the complete addresses. Change the width to 35. So we have to change the width. Right click here and click on the column width and click 35. Moving to step number 7, that is, the manager information table should show the total amount of new loans and deposits. Start by entering the word total below the final branch number. The branch number here we have to type total. So it should show the total amounts and deposits. New loans and deposits it should show. So for this we need to sum up, and the range should be this. That's it. And use a function to calculate that. Well, Diago needs to determine the total amount of new loans made by each branch in the West region. Use a function to calculate total amount for a new loan in appropriate sale. Use the same function to calculate the deposits. So the same one is this one is a sum function. So this one should also be the sum. And this should be the range. That's it. Moving to step number 9, that is, Diago also wants you to complete the summary statistics area below the manager information table. Identify the average deposits amount by entering average deposit in the left button shaded cell. Average deposit. Complete the summary statistics by deploying the total number of managers. Use a function appropriate for the text values to count the number of managers in the top right cell of the summary statistics. So number of managers. So here you can see these are the number of managers. You can do this by just clicking the selecting the range. You can see it's at 12, but the value that we are using for the text values to count, that should be count A. And here you should be able to find count. In case you do it like count, why is it not getting it? Because these are the text values. The text value, whenever you're counting for someone, you should use a function count A rather than count. Moving to step number 11, that is, add a border around the outside summary of statistics to complete the worksheet. So here summary statistic is this one, and you should apply, then add a border around the outside summary. So we have to apply outside border. Yeah, this one, outside border. Moving to step number 12, that is next, Diago asks you to complete the low income worksheet and make it easier to print and read. Begin by changing its orientation to landscape. So for this you need to go to the page layout section, and here on your rotation you need to change it to landscape so that it's wider and easier to read. Step number 13 is change the zoom level of the loan income worksheet to 130. Loan income worksheet is this one, and it should be 130. Now it's 130. Okay, wait. We have encountered a small error. Uh, this one was next day ago asked you to complete the loan amount income worksheet. So this step was needed to be done on this one. So we will change this again to portrait, and we will change this sheet orientation to landscape, and then the zoom level to 130. So that landscape step was needed to be done on this sheet, not this. Okay, moving to step number 14, that is add March 2029 after the loans week of to provide a date. Okay, so just copy it. You can type it also. Now moving to step number 15, that And let me remind you, if you want me to do this assignment for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, including the exams and the capstone projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You just need to send me the files over the WhatsApp and I will complete that assignment for you and send it back to you. Then you can submit it and get it graded. Keeping in view the price, that is very economical in terms of price. So do watch for the second part or the second module of this course. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.